Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use focus modes for different times of the day. If you want to reduce distractions, you can use your focus mode. Firstly, you need to open to your setting, and once you reach to the setting, you need to scroll a bit down until you find this focus. Tap onto the focus there, and you can choose an existing mode like work, sleep, or do not disturb, or you can simply tap on the create icon in the top right, and here you can also select the custom or available. Select and tap onto this customize focus, and that is it. This is how you can use your focus modes for different time of the day. And once set up, your iPhone will automatically filter notifications based on your schedule. That's it. That's how to use your focus modes for different time of the day. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.